Hi everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee here with an Olympia Express, and this machine was brought in because steam was just coming out of the steam wand even when it wasn't supposed to. So the steam wand basically just wouldn't close all the way, and that's because the valve assembly had just become worn down, the gaskets in there, and it wasn't closing, and that's the reason. So we replaced it, and now here it is. You can see it is not leaking. We'll open it up and close it. See that is functioning just fine. Alright, and now we're going to pull shop. Leave it up here for a couple moments for pre-infusion, and we will descend the lever. And there's the shot. Looking good. Alright, and it's going to stop here at about 1 ounce. And there it is. Alright, Olympia Express functioning once again. Thanks for tuning in to Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos, and if you like our videos, please subscribe to our channel.